Hello and welcome back to Ranking Video Games. So, last time we left off, we had Broforce up here. We added a lot more OG games, and a hell of a lot more of these. So, yeah, not much to say. I'll go over the ranking one more time. Masterpieces is just games that are really good, like, so good that when you finish them, you got tears. They're really good games, Not necessarily, but I mean, like, games that when you finish them, they impact you. So that's like Outer Wilds, Broforce. Over 100 hours is just games that I personally have over 100 hours of. Payday 2, Getting Over It, Grand Theft Auto, Rec Room. Really great are games that are so good that they're better than, like, pretty good, actually. They're just really good games. OG games are games that I don't necessarily have a lot of hours in, but they're, like, nostalgic or just, Half-Life, Portal. Pretty good, just pretty good. It's okay are games that, I mean, they're okay, but they get a bit boring. Games that are like, like, you could have a bit of fun, but nah. And then pretty bad is basically just bad. Not good. Okay, and then obviously all the games that I have never played and don't know. Or don't know. Broken Age, yeah, okay. So we'll go down to, like, where do we go down to? We'll go down to, like, Danganronpa 2 or something, or, like, in this row. Sunset Overdrive. No idea. Reedland? Reedland? So it's in the morning, so I'm kind of drowsy. No idea. Don't even... Oh, that's V. No, this is a classic. Flower. This is like a PS3 era game. PS3. So I'm gonna put that up with the... Put that up just behind Peggle, I reckon. Don't know. Grow Up. This is probably gonna be in a... It's somewhat nostalgic, but not super nostalgic. So, like, it would be in... I wouldn't necessarily say it's well made. I just... I'll put it like there. Well, maybe like... I'll put it like... I'll put it there. Yep, I will put it there. Okay. Now. Don't know. I know, but I haven't played. Don't know. Don't know. Moss? I'm gonna put this in I don't know, because I have played it, but, like, barely. Barely enough for it to even really count. So... I'm just gonna put it there. Bit Trap Run, I have played, but not enough to know. Return of the Obra Dinn, I have played that. Not all the way through, but I played quite a bit of it. So I think I've got enough knowledge to rank it. It was pretty good. It was, it was mid. It was alright. I'll put it like there. Maybe put it like there. Yep. Stop, drop, or I don't even know. I don't know. World of Goo I've barely played, and if I did play it, I played it so many years ago I barely remember. No. Don't know. Rogue Legacy, I've heard of it, but don't know. Moving Out. Now this is one that I can rank. This is one that actually, it's not that great. It's like, I'll put it at the front of It's Okay. Because it's like, it's alright, but it's just like, after a while it gets like, a bit boring. Don't know. Oh, this is VVV. Don't know. Guacamelee. I have played Guacamelee, so I guess I can rank this. Guacamelee is a pretty good game. I put it like just below Mirror's Edge. Yep, just below Mirror's Edge. Surely on the amount of fun I've had playing it. Changed, Dust, The Moon, Human Resource Machine. I have technically played, but not really enough to rank it. It's another one of those games by the same makers of Little Inferno, which if Little Inferno is here, that's gonna get a masterpiece, because that game is a masterpiece. Beat the Boss, don't know, Flappy Bird, I've played it, but like barely enough to rank it. Don't know, Smash Hit. Oh, this is a classic. This is like iPad game sort of stuff. Smash Hit. That's gonna go like right up next to Fruit Ninja. Yeah, okay. Where are we looking at? Okay. So it goes down and yep. I swear I recognize that. Anyway. Asphalt, no idea. What are these? I don't know. Tomb of the Mask is almost classic, but then it's... Oh, this list is getting so long that it's kind of like... Is there a way we can, I don't even want to mess around because I don't want all these games to... Which one was it again? The one I was just moving? Tomb... Ah, damn it. Where did it go? Uh-oh. That's not good. I may have lost it. Which is fine because I barely played it, but like... It was the Tomb game. I don't know where it went. Okay, whatever. You know, it's staying in the... I don't know, / never played. Because I don't really know. Like, it's alright, but... Duck Life? I don't even... Like... Duck... I've heard of it, but like... What do you do? Oh, you evolve or something. I don't know. Don't know. Free Rider HD. I do play this game a bit, but mainly I just make tracks. There's ads in this website, which, I mean, I can't get rid of them. Although these ads are probably not the worst ads because they're about Ukraine and whatever. Where did it go? Uh-oh. I've done it again. Wait. I can find it. Uh-oh. Go. I'll find it. Alright, I'll find it. I'll find it a little bit later. Where it went exactly... I don't know. But, oh, there. Okay. Free Rider HD. It's alright, but it's like... I'm gonna put it like... just above, like, Journey. But below, or maybe just above Castle Crashers. Because it's like... It's alright, but it's kind of... I don't know. Run, I mean, like, yeah, but... Do I really want to... I guess I should Oh my god. This is getting annoying because I need to keep track of it as I move it up this endless cacophony. Alright. Run. I'm gonna put, like... I'm gonna put, like, here. Because it's okay, but it's kind of annoying. It's a good game to, like, play at school, you know. I forgot what this one's called, but I have played it a really long time ago. It's the one with the bird dude in it, isn't it? Like, I'm gonna put it, like, above Cut the Rope. It's an OG. Oh yeah, Where's My Water? That's another original game. Where's my water? I'm gonna put it just above that. Maybe just above Temple Run. Oh, just above that. It's a pretty nostalgic game. Where are we getting up to? So we'll go up to like Call of Duty sort of area. Don't know. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb. I think that Dumb Ways to Die started off as like an ad by the like Metro Trains of Sydney or something, and then it turned into a game, which is really interesting. I'm gonna put it quite low though, because it's like, it's okay. Well, I guess if it's okay, it would go in here. It's comedic. So I'm gonna put it like, I'm gonna put it there. It deserves to be there. My Singing Monsters. Oh, that game I used to play when I was little, but I barely remember it. So I'm just gonna put it in here because I don't really remember it. Tiny Wings. Another one of those kind of classic games. I'm gonna put it right there. I feel like, no, I played Temple Run quite a bit. Oh, Odyssey, don't know. Talking Tom, like, barely played. I don't know that. Free Fire, never played. Mobile Legends, no. Fun Run, nope. Nope. Snake, well, it's not the Snake that I would play, so no. Barely, nah. Dunno, Hole.io, no. I'm not gonna, like, rank the games that you get those terrible ads for and then you download it and play it for 5 minutes, then delete it, because that's barely, really, you know. Oh, now this I would put in, like, a classics. Because it's the dinosaur game. Everybody has played the dinosaur game. I don't care what you say. Everyone has played the dinosaur game. That's like... You know, I'm going to change this from OG games to the classic games. So it's not necessarily old or like original, but it's pretty classic. I'm going to put this... just before Crossy Road, because of everyone's played it, so everyone has memories that, you know, etches it forwards a little bit. I'll go to Call of Duty. Don't know. I mean, sort of, but not really. Don't know. Krunker, barely. Now this. This is the Snake game that I played. This sort of like Google Snake, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna put it I'm gonna put it up with the classics, up next to the, just behind that, because some of them are like Google games, so everyone's played them, but, you know. Tanked, don't know. Don't know. Solitaire, barely. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. I mean, barely. Some of these games are nostalgic for some people, but for me, like, I haven't really played them that much. Minesweeper, Genshin Impact, I haven't played. Paper.io, I guess yeah, I'd say I'd played it, but it's not particularly nostalgic. It's just kind of, I'll put it just below Granny, no, just below Baldi's, because it's kind of, it's like, you know, don't know, Pong, not really, don't know, don't know, Slither.io, I don't know, yeah, Slither.io is pretty classic. It's with the, actually, I'm gonna put it down here, because it's not really, it's not good, it's just that it's kind of classic, but not really. Guilty Gear, no. Trails of, no. Don't know. I don't know any of these games. Not sure. I don't know. Fat! I never played the PewDiePie games. Alright, we're up to Call of Duty. I didn't play. Oh, we're only at 17 minutes. We'll do a little more. Omari? I haven't actually played, Omari? Is that it? Game? Not man. Game. Omari, man. What is it about? Oh, okay, well, I'm not buying it, I'm just... It's kind of probably one of those horror games. I haven't played it. Honey Pop. I haven't played this. I know Markiplier played it. I might watch it, but, I mean... It's just about as good as whatever. Don't know. Barely know. Danganronpa 2, never played. Don't know. I don't know. Look at that ad, that's cool. That's freaky. Dragon Ball Z. Nico Nuki. I don't know. Rage? Not really. Alright, well, I'm getting tired. And it's taken me forever to scroll through all this crap, so I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.